So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Amazon for making $5,000 to $10,000 a month. So once you log into Amazon.ca or .com, based on where you want to sell, all you have to do, click on best sellers or new release. For us, because we are new, we want to see what is new in the market. So click on the new. So all you have to do, try to select the niche that you're interested. I guess pet supply would be the good one because there is so many demand for pet supply, and all we see here, they're all being released, new and hot releases, so we know they're all new. And the good thing about this strategy is we know all those sellers are done all their due diligence and as well as their research, product research, so we have confirmation at least about the product. One thing is about the price. You want to sell something that is above $30 and with the less review in the competition. So in this one, it's got $49 in the price. I'm hoping that margin should be good. So as you can see, this product is selling for $49 and has only 3 varieties, which is the variation is only the color, so you don't really have to do the color because I don't think it's a big deal about the color. People would maybe buy the generic black one. So now let's see how it's selling on Amazon. I have the extension here that I'm using. It's basically Jungle Scout. So this one, as you can see, the sellers is selling about 178 unit average monthly sale, and the daily sale is 8. Actually, the only 21 reviews, which is really good. So the 180 sales a month, if you do the math, that would be a good sell. And let's just dive into the calculation and see how much we can profit on this item. So to source the item, you go to Alibaba.com and then you search for the item that you found. So I already put the dog nail grinder here. So let's do the search and see what we can find and what the price are. And here we can see the price. Actually, that's exactly the one that we saw, and it's purchasing, let's say $565. That would be the price you buy, and actually it's a verified supplier, which is what we want to do. And calculate it. So let's say we buy this product because we don't want to order too many for the start. We only want to order from 100 to 200. So for the price that we pay for that amount, it would be $7.50. So now back to the Amazon page, and then we open extension that is seller app. We want to put our cost and shipping. So the cost was $7.50. And shipping to Amazon, let's say $2 per unit, and let's see how much we're gonna make. So we are making here, as you can see, $24 net profit, which is 48%, and your ROI is 300%. So let me know if this is a good margin as well as the profit. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you follow for more trick and video like this. Thank you.